there's pride in owning a piece of history. I've really found purpose in keeping these bikes alive and preserving the past. I can't help but think about all the old bikes out there just sitting in barns or backyards, waiting for a second life.
This is the clutch. Honda on and off-road motorcycles.
You see these bikes in old movies, family photos, old magazines. You wonder, where are they now? Where have they been? Who is their owner, and what did this bike mean to them?
You may prefer the simplicity of two-wheel. Of course, you put more in than you get out. You'll have a lot of fun riding a Honda.
It's not about the restoration. It's not about getting from point A to point B. It's about the memories made in between. There's no bells and whistles to these old bikes. It's fire, air, and fuel. You just go. It's clear that my contribution to the future is in preserving the past.